Hi, I'm Daniel Lockman, and this is Arm Ratchet Bone Snapper by Rosen Gadgets and Magic Wagon. We're here in Berkeley, California, and we're gonna go try out this fun little device. Excuse me, my back has been hurting really bad. Hang on. My back's been hurting really bad. What the fuck? Okay, we're here at the Berkeley BART station, and I'm just going to try to get some people coming up from the escalator. Excuse me, my back is really bothering me. Hang on one second, just hold my hand. Ouch! Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So once again, this is all accomplished with this little device, and when you're done performing it, it vanishes. That's Arm Ratchet Bone Snapper. It's a lot of fun. Check it out.